Good day, ladies and gentlemen. Today we are going to introduce to you the way to configure the UVG gateway. First of all, please launch the multi-client. Once the multi-client is launched, we have to wait for a while for it to launch because we are running on a slower PC. Once the multi-client is launched, please click on Gateway and make sure, first of all, make sure that the UVG is connected to your LAN or to your PC by a LAN cable to its LAN port. If you're connecting to internal LAN, please connect to the WAN port. So once this is done, please click on Gateway and search. You will find your gateway on the list of Find Gateway. Once you located it, in this case we're using YSO test, this unit, click on it, click Configure. You will come to the configuration page. To log in, there are two sets of different passwords depending on the firmware that you are using. It could be the traditional SV user and a password of SERVCONF, in which case it's not right here, or it could be admin and admin. Once you are successfully logged into the system, the first thing to do is to change the system name. Click on General on the left, select a system name. Please ensure that you do not repeat the system name, otherwise the proxy server is not going to be able to recognize the system. So in this case, we're going to choose this as YSO test. System port. Please select an appropriate system port that the firewall allows. In this case, we're using the default 9988. In most cases, it should work for you too. If you would like to activate the speaker, you can select here. Either you want internal, external, or both speakers. Usually, we will leave it at both. Now, once this is done, please ensure that you have the right video mode. If your camera supports only NTSC, please select NTSC. If your camera supports PAL, please select PAL. Otherwise, you're going to see color distortion. Once this is done, please click Update. Once it's successfully updated, it will be shown in the little box here on the left, and you are supposed to click here to go to the Save Settings page. But if you have more configurations to be done, you could do this at the end of everything. So the next important thing that we would like to do is to ensure that the proxy and the DNS is properly set. If it's not clicked, please click Enable. You could click on Use Any. Ensure that the host IP is 58.185.7.51 and the proxy port is 9988. Again, once this is done, please click Update. After every setting, every configuration page, you are to click Update. Now, the final most important thing to do is to ensure that you have the time correctly. Ensure that your time zone is correct. Select the right time zone for your country and you click Update. Once you click Update, the next thing to do, sync with the PC time. Okay, once it's done, you'll see that you have changes that need to be saved. So you click on here, Save Changes to the System, and thereafter, click Restart the System. Once you click Restart the System, system will be restarted. Now let's go back to the multi-client. We close this, and you are to wait for it to come back online. This could take up to 5 minutes.